And bringing you a breaking news update now at top of the bulletin. Viewers, Rajya Sabha Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar has now called for a meeting of the floor leaders of the Congress, BJP and other Indi bloc parties to discuss upon ending the logjam in Rajya Sabha and taking the House forward. Vice President Dhankar calling for a meeting of floor leaders of all key parties to end the logjam that's been persisting in Parliament ever since the session has began. Now this meeting is being called tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. Tomorrow 10:30 a.m. Indi bloc meeting has been called by the Rajya Sabha chairman. This of course is coming after there has been a raucous chaos in Parliament over the Sonia Soros link allegations. As the controversy gets bigger, BJP of course taking on the Congress party over the alleged link of Sonia Gandhi with the Soros linked organisation. Indi bloc now goes after Rajya Sabha chairman Dhankar, and Dhankar has of course called in a meeting of Indi bloc tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. In fact, he's also called for a meeting of the floor leaders of the Congress, BJP and other Indi bloc parties to discuss upon ending the logjam in Rajya Sabha and taking the House forward. Let's go across to Suesha now, who's joining us from the newsroom.
And fast-paced developments that have been coming in, and we understand the chairman of Rajya Sabha, Jagdeep Dhankar, has called for yet another meeting at 10:30 a.m. tomorrow. This after the meeting that has just concluded that he held with the leader of the House and the leader of the opposition. Now, he has clearly stated that the purpose of that meeting was to ensure that the House runs smoothly, and both sides and some other floor leaders that were also present for the meeting that has just concluded. He has added that both sides had a frank discussion and they signaled two things. One, that integrity, sovereignty of the nation is sacred for us. We cannot allow any forces within the country or outside to sacrilege our unity, integrity and sovereignty. The leaders had a frank discussion. They've agreed to meet in my chamber tomorrow at 10:30, which includes the Congress. Now, he's also appealed to all the members of the House to carefully consider the oath of the Constitution that they have taken, the oath being very specific. They have to ensure integrity of the nation on a priority basis. Any challenge to the unity of the nation, to the integrity of the nation, requires all of us, he says, to offer a united challenge. This is a challenge not to one section or the other, but to every parliamentarian. He's also said that this is our challenge to our very existence. As a nation, we are committed to fight these sinister forces, these forces that are inimical to India, this inimical force mechanism. A deep state that is evolving is required to be neutralized by all of us. So once again in that statement, he puts out the role of the deep state conspiracy to destabilize the unity, sovereignty and integrity of India. And he has urged all parliamentarians to ensure that the House runs smoothly from here on. It has been rather a disaster to what has happened since the start of the winter session of the Parliament so far. And let me also cut across to Riyanka to take us through the details of what concluded as a part of this meeting and what is expected to happen tomorrow at 10:30 in the morning. Riyanka.
Well, today already there was a meeting during the Parliament running when there was ruckus and adjournment. There was a meeting that was called at the chamber of Rajya Sabha Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar, and this meeting was in fact attended by JP Nadda, Mallikarjun Kharge, Tiruchi Siva, Pramod Tiwari and Jairam Ramesh. All these leaders were present in the meeting where they had in fact decided how to make the House run smoothly. In fact, if we talk about what Jagdeep Dhankar had to say, that both the sides had a frank discussion and they had signaled two things in this meeting that happened today. One, that the integrity of the nation is sacred, and also that the leaders had a frank discussion. They had a discussion of a key meeting that will be held at the chamber of Rajya Sabha chairman tomorrow as well.
All right, do stay on with us. We cut across to more breaking news coming in. BJP has